extraordinary.
You son of a bitch.
Yeah.
Coleslaw, we talked about this. Game on, Coleslaw. All right, all right.
I was giving you a chance. I was giving you a chance. I want that on his shirt. Game on, Coleslaw. Back again with Diamond Jim Tyler, hanging out with Rex. We're experiencing the Rexening, in which you judge all of our best
There
of
will
scams.
be a Rexening.
So in this case, we've talked about openers, tweeners, closers. This is, I think, solidly a tweener. It's a good effect that does pay off, but it doesn't have a specific challenge that involves a MacGuffin, whether it's the girl's phone number or a free drink.
Right on.
Right. Uses standard dominoes. Do you know the traditional way to play dominoes where
You're matching numbers, yeah?
So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna make a prediction. You're gonna lay these out in any order that you wish. You start with the domino you want.
Yeah.
And then you start connecting to that domino like numbers.
Sure.
And eventually you'll get where you have an end.
Keep in mind though, you have a totally free choice. This is on you because you're gonna get frustrated at the end, and I wanna hear
already
about how you didn't know that you were influencing the way this turns out.
So before you start, let me think what Rex would do.
Oh.
Which one he might start with, where he might end up.
Okay.
Okay, I think I've
Am I
got
that
it.
predictable? I feel like I'm
I mean,
predictable.
we're about to find out.
I'm shifting into unpredictability mode. So I'm doing colors.
Oh, you want to start with my layout?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. I
That's
chose
very
the no.
trusting.
No.
You don't have to.
You met. Oh. Okay. No. This is what I'm doing.
Okay.
Okay.
That's what I'm doing.
All right.
Getting in my head, Diamond Jim. Getting in my head.
Just like I planned it, Brian.
Does it have to go off the end or can it go off the sides?
Yeah,
too?
it has to be off the end.
It has to be off the ends. All right, so I'm looking for 3. Do a 3. I'm looking for a 4. Let's do a 4 here. I'm just getting them all lined up, yeah?
And it could be that
2.
once you've used one number, it locks up at one end and you have to play on the other end.
Oh, I see.
But you could always take it apart and reconstruct it.
I'm
if you wish,
suspicious of everything
See,
coming out
you
of
have
your damn
total
mouth right
free
now.
choice.
I do.
I mean, unless Diamond
he's-
Jim has your number and he knows exactly what you're gonna do before you do it.
Unless he's predictable.
That would be pretty extraordinary.
You son of a bitch.
Yeah.
Coleslaw, we talked about this. Game on, Coleslaw. All right.
I was giving you a chance. I was giving you a chance. I want that on his shirt. Game on, Coleslaw.
Now, you got no shot. I am going to do something so unpredictable.
I'm gonna
there you
tilt
go.
this. There you go.
Hold on. There.
Okay, okay.
Now,
Oh,
now
okay.
I'm
There you
doing-
go.
Ah.
Okay.
That's-
Yeah, no, that's there. You can do that. You
Okay,
can
then we're going that
take a left-hand turn.
that
Perfect.
way, and then check this out. The double whammy.
All right, all right.
Double freaking whammy.
I mean, just to be clear, you feel like you have complete control this entire time, don't you?
I will fight you. There's a 5 going on right
Let
there.
me sip my whiskey while this plays out the way I thought it would.
Look at oh, and then look. So that's
Yep,
going
yep.
that
Coming
way.
back this way.
Legit move.
And then okay, so I want to blank into a 2. A 2. And then we got a 2. And then we got was that a 3?
Yep,
3.
yep.
That hot 3 action.
Right?
Let me do the blankety blank. And now.
Oh. Well, no, you got a 5.
Oh yeah, I got that too. All right.
Do you want to change anything?
Pass the test.
Okay, yeah, now
You passed the
here's
test.
the moment. This is your last off-ramp to sanity. If you want to change anything, now is your moment. I changed my decision to do the show.
I'm good.
Okay.
I'm gonna stick.
So what are the end numbers?
You got a 6, got a 1.
It's right there. It's
You just wrote 6 and a 1. Son of a bitch.
there it is.
All right. Give me that grade. Give me that grade.
Because it required effort of me.
Yes.
You're getting minus points.
That makes sense.
Because I had to move and not just spectate and judge.
by
Which
the
is
way-
really why I'm here.
Okay, but that is actually the hallmark. The more involved you get somebody, the more invested they become, and they can't stop themselves from feeling invested.
Brian, I'm a supremely lazy man.
I believe this about you.
That's pretty cool. I'm gonna say that's a B+.
B plus.
B+.
All right. Well, look, we'll find out exactly how it's done. You got a toast.
Sweet.
Rex, a very good magic trick is one that actively makes you angry when you find out how it works. As they say, magicians are guarding an empty vault. When you find out how simple this is, you will be in agony.
Okay.
You want to show them?
Sure.
You want to show them what you've been holding out?
Now, if you were to lay these out in the true world, the dominoes would make a perfect circle. Like you would have a 6 on each end, or you would have a 1 on each end, and they would interconnect in that way.
All right.
But since I took out a piece of the puzzle, the 6 and the 1, now this is going to be the ending.
Yeah.
Had I removed the 3 and the 6, it would have been a 3 and a 6 at the end.
How simple is that? All you do
You
is
just take out one, and now you know that's going to be on the end.
and the best part is, you could do it under cover of, like, if they're all right here,
Yeah.
you could shuffle them in front of everyone and just palm back. This is actually a cheating technique during poker. If people are pushing their chips towards you,
Yeah.
almost certainly they're palming back one of them, dragging it across the table. Now, you wouldn't want to remove this one. You know why, right?
Well, because it's 0.
Correct.
Yeah.
Well, because it's the same on both. So you want to get one with both
so it
of
doesn't
them
matter. It could
different.
be like a 6. You don't want to do a double on both sides. All right.
Exactly.
All right. As long as it's not a double, it always works out that the one you pulled is going to be the numbers on the end.
Because all of them naturally would form a circle, and you are forcing a break that one will end with a 2, one will end with a 3.
That's almost as more impressive as the trick itself.
Do you want to revise your appraisal?
Yeah, it's like whatever I said before plus a little bit more.
Okay, A minus.
All right, good. I'll take it. I'll take it. A win's a win.
All right, Rex, I know you didn't ask, but you're probably thinking, where can I learn so many more of these amazing bar scams? Well, guess what? They're all here in the Bamboozlers series, written
That's a
by
pocket hymnal, Brian.
Diamond Jim Tyler. There's 75 effects in each of the books, and yes, they are pocket hymnals. So when you get caught in church studying all this
Hymnals
stuff,
full of magic.
these are actually fantastic. These are available at scamstuff.com or wherever better books are sold. Or stoled.
Stoled.
Or stoled.
Yeah.
It's fine.
I wouldn't put it past coleslaw.
Those ones.
Coleslaw.